This is not Mr. Pete, but I do like his videos on the plunder of flea market finds. I was at I think it's Caledon flea market, and spent some money. I got some nice roughing end mills, a ball-nosed end mill, some 4-flute stuff. I found some reamers. They had a bunch of different reamers, tons of different drill bits, and some of these were like concrete spade bits or like diamond point like that, and some of them were reground, a million times, but some of them were nice jobber drills. You could tell all of them had been used, thrown in a bucket at some point in time. Some of the stuff was in cases and had some protection on it. Some of it was really small, and they had these, which were the BUTFLD. So it's a 3-point drill with a really loose auger. Well, auger, I don't know what they call it. A couple reamers, a bunch of reamers. Let's see what else. Oh! Luckily, that one still had the wax on it. And the lady who had this, she's like, her dad passed away or something, and she's like, all right, take it all. And I said, sure. Some of them you could tell they were grinding them up as they needed them. There were a couple keyway cutters. I'm like, okay, those are cool. So that's like an 1/8. Sixteenth keyway cutters. I think those are called keyway cutters. These are, I don't think they're tapered. This one looks tapered. For a pin. Square drive, that's nice. Small stuff that I didn't have before. That looks like a reamer. Not 100% sure. Twist drills. The twist. So these were nice, long, and they had a variety of sizes. But that looks like it has like a concrete kind of tip to it. Little teeny tiny reamer. Couple taps. But you look at that and you're like, wow, interesting. Put in the comments, why do I need that? Another little teeny tiny reamer. Look at that drill. Nice. These look like expanding mandrels. Yeah, and they are. So there's like a little taper inside there. But I don't know if these are a part of it. Yeah, they look a little tapered. Anyway, that was a pretty good little score. A variety of mandrels. I don't know what this person did. I didn't get that story. But, had some small stuff. Like this is 1/4-inch drive, 1/2-inch drive. It's like a center drill. These are nice. Good to have. Variety is good to have. And then this bag, pretty nice condition, 3/8 1/2 inch. It's nice 3/4 roughing, a little rusty. 1/2. Like their whole range. Like this is a whole range of end mills. I recently broke something very similar to this. Concrete. So all of this was under $100. So to the shopkeeper who was there, thank you for your generosity, contribution. I will put this stuff in the places it belongs and use it accordingly.